Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the Godiva Masterpieces Hazelnut Oyster with Belgian Milk Chocolate. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a Belgian milk chocolate with hazelnuts in it, and it weighs 83 grams. And here are its ingredients. And nutritional information. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. By pulling apart the back flap there to reveal a gold foil. And now let's peel back this foil. To reveal the Godiva Masterpieces Hazelnut Oyster with Belgian Milk Chocolate. So you can see there are these large clam-shaped blocks of chocolate. So there are, let's find out, what appears to be 10 pieces altogether. And I'm going to show you the close-up detail, and you can see it has a nice rich brown color to it. And just to show you just how high that clam shape rises from the kind of flat area or base of the chocolate. Okay, so let's remove the chocolate completely, and now it's going to start melting in my hands, but that's just fine. I'm going to give you this close-up look of this Godiva Masterpieces Hazelnut Oyster with Belgian Milk Chocolate. And I'm going to give you that close-up look as well of the individual sections or pieces. And as I mentioned, it does raise quite a fair bit from the base of the chocolate bar. And to show the reverse side as well, you can see my fingerprints are now all over the base of the chocolate. And it's clearly starting to melt in my hands. So I'm going to now, a piece has just broken off. I'm going to now break a piece off over here. Just like that, and show you the cross section. It's starting to get messy. The heat doesn't help either. Okay, I'm going to set the rest of the chocolate down and give you once again a close-up look of the cross section of this Godiva Masterpieces Hazelnut Oyster with Belgian Milk Chocolate. And now I'm going to pop this piece of chocolate in my mouth and give it a taste. Okay, so it is completely smooth. There is no hazelnut pieces in it at all. Let's try another one just to be sure. And see if I can show you the cross section of that middle section right there. So you can see how the coloration of the, once the camcorder gets some autofocus, struggling a little bit, but we'll get there. There we go, showing you that cross section of that clam shaped area from the rest of the chocolate bar. You can see that it does have a slightly lighter brown color in that hump clam section of the chocolate bar. Okay, we're going to taste that other piece as well, along with this one as well. So it is incredibly smooth, and it does clearly have that nutty hazelnut taste to it as well. So nice, smooth and creamy with that nutty hazelnut taste. So that's the Godiva Masterpieces Hazelnut Oyster with Belgian Milk Chocolate. Thanks for watching and happy snacking!